Dow Jones and Nasdaq, after seeing a good swing, has now traded bullish and has achieved the highest. How many times I have told you in recent past that one should remain bullish on Dow Jones and Nasdaq, whatever direction, whatever data comes, we are still bullish. And I have told you several times that US30 only below 32,800, 33,000 levels is to be treated bearish till the time it is buy the dips. And on the upside, 34,500, if it breaks, we may see increasing bullishness. And likewise, US100, 12,200, 12,000 levels. How many times when it was there at 12,200? That time also I have told you buy and you can expect it to rise. Now it is seen a good rise till 12,750. Now what to expect? Is it going to stay bullish today? And you should buy again, and if yes, at what levels and what position, and how to make profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the next release, which is going to be before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now look at the hourly charts. After creating a base here at 12,500, Nasdaq 100 is traded bullish, and in fact it has achieved higher. It traded outside the Bollinger Bands, now is trading comfortable here. Now see, you can see this, it is trying to converge. You can see it is trying to, it appears that it has seen the cusp. Now it has to give a breakout in order to confirm the bullish. That is the first part. And also on the downside, it has to trade below first at 12,680, then at 12,600, 12,620 and 12,580. Yesterday's analysis I told you about 12,580. One can stay long and see how beautifully it has traded bullish. Now also we have seen that US100 is trading in this bullish channel. Achieving the bottom, it is trying to retrace, higher lows are seen. Now on the upside, 13,000 is the level which is going to be the ceiling, beyond which it is to be considered bullish further. Now look at directional movement. Here is divergent and bullish. Stochastic is overbought on the hourly charts, and hence a little drop is must. We may see it dropping a little before it tries to rise. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here, crossover for a sell, and the RSI is overbought too, which may bring a little bearishness, a little drop. Look at 2 hour. Now see, importantly, US100 is now trading above the median of the channel, which is going to be the next support level, situated at around 12,640, 650 zone. And this level certainly you should be watchful of. These levels are certainly going to be a very good support, specifically below 12,600 only little bearishness will be seen. Right now it is looking upwards. Once it trades above this zone at 12,785, 12,800, you can expect that we may see further highs for 12,900 and 13,000. So wait for it to break past 12,800 levels in order to for it to confirm the bullishness. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is in green. The RSI is also overbought here. Now if you look at 3 hour chart, now you can see this 3 hour charts also, the complete movement is confined within this channel, and it is willing to achieve the highs of this channel, now situated at 13,000 levels. Also look at the 3 hour charts. Now see, it has given a breakout. It was giving earlier lower highs, and now once it broke past 12,650, it has given certainly a good breakout, and it is trading above the median, and hence now I'll wait for 12,650, 12,600 levels to be breached again in order for it to confirm the bearishness. Directional movement is bullish here. Stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and the RSI is also overbought. So now since it is trying to trade overbought, or it is trading overbought, this brings a possibility for it to shed a little or drop a little before it tries to rise further. Now look at the 4 hour chart. See, rise, consolidation, rise, and it is creating a perfect step here, and hence only buy entry is about 12,800. Also look at this. See, the candle sizes, which means reducing bullishness, which also suggests that only if it trades about 12,800 we can expect it to trade bullish here. That is the first part. Now look at directional movement. This is divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD bullish. RSI also looking upwards. And it has still got room for it to rise further. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, most importantly on the daily charts, previous few candles lower highs were seen. lower lows are seen. This time it is trading above, this time it is giving a breakout, this time it is trying to trade bullish, and yes, there is a possibility that it can reverse retrace. I will be watchful of now 12788, 12800 zone, only beyond which we can expect 12820, 12900, and then we can see it flying for 13,000 levels. So for the day I will recommend you to sell at 12700, expect 12660, 12630 and 12600 as the very good support, and then below that 12570, 12500. Only and only if it trades below 12500 now it will show you little bearishness, else there is a very strong probability that it can try to show you in fact further bullish candle, which may try to take it for 13,000 levels also. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought, the MACD trying to converge, crossover for the buy entries again, RSI is near to overbought. Considering this, for the day I will recommend you to sell at 12680, buy at 12780 levels, above which 12820, 12860, 12900 and then 13,000 will be seen. You have to trail your stop losses till 12900 levels. On the downside, below 12680 you can expect 12640, 12600, or rather 12630, 12600 levels, and below which little bearishness 12570, 12500 levels will be seen. Only and only if it trades below 12500 it is to be considered bearish for now, else we may see it achieving highs at 13,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and yes, keep shifting your stop loss to your entry prices and to the first trading resistance levels. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profit, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on first week of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for same. Now look at US30. 34,200, it is falling shy of, I have told you, only about 34,200. Once it trades about 34,200 you can again stay bullish. We can expect 34,350, 34,500 levels. Already it did achieve 34,500 once for this week. Now look at the hourly chart. See, this is increasingly bullish channel, and now the bullishness has diminished here. It failed to break on the upside. Also, if you look at the support here at 34,080 levels, which is a good support. Below that, if it trades, you can expect 34,050 and 34,000. These two levels again going to be a good support. Then 33,900 and 33,800. Remember now, multiple times we have seen 33,800 providing it a very good support, and it is going to remain the strongest support again. But let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought and looking down. The MACD is in red trying to converge, green trying to converge here for sell or getting into red. RSI is also looking down, indicating little bearishness on the hourly charts. Now look at 2-hour chart. See, on the 2-hour charts, couple of strong bullish candle, one smaller green candle, the bullishness has diminished, and hence once you see it trading above this zone at 34 200 levels, 210 levels, then only you can consider it for a good buy. So I will recommend you to buy at 34 210 only today. If only it trades above 34 200, further bullishness will be seen. At the same time, on the downside, 34,080 is a good sell entry for 34,040, 34,000 and 33,900 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD has crossed over. This is for a buy entry here. It is trading with divergence and bullish. RSI is also trading flat. And if you look at 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, after a couple of green candles, it is forming a flag here. And it has to give a breakout in order to confirm the trade, in order to confirm a direction. So this is what we can see. Also, one thing we can observe here is almost flat bottom and lower highs. I'll wait for it to break past 34,200 in order to confirm the bullishness. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over. This is trading with little divergence. This is trying to trade green. RSI flat. And if you look at 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts, higher highs are seen. Diminishing candle size, reducing candle size, indicating that the bullishness is diminished after this retrace drop. This is a retracement and possibly it can reverse again. But till 33,900, do not consider this as bearish. In fact, till 33,800, do not consider this as bearish. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic has come to overbought levels. The MACD trying to cross over for a buy entry again, and RSI is trying to trade flat. Now look at the daily. Now see the daily charts, you can see this is the long term bearish channel. Yesterday or day before it is trying to give a breakout. Now see these previous two candles with the stronger tails and the previous candle with a greener body. Once it trades above 34,200, certainly you can stay long further for 34,500, and in fact beyond that we may see 35,000 very soon. Now see multiple candles, higher lows are seen, which means on the downside there is a good support now at 34,000, 33,950. This is the 20 period moving average, and then 33,900. These are going to be very good support. Now see the 20 and 50 period moving average has again started to diverge, which means indicating increasing bullishness. Directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic dropping. The MACD is in slight green. RSI trading flat. Considering this for the day, you can buy at 34,160. Expect 34,210. And if it breaks past 34,210, you can expect 34,350, 34,500 levels on the upside as the next target. Beyond that, sky is the limit. On the downside, you can sell here at 34,080, and then you can expect 34,040, 34,000, 33,950, 33,900. These are very strong, and then 33,800, the next strongest support level, only below which you can expect it to trade bearish. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.